Right, Captain Amrinder Singh, the Chief Minister of Punjab, says, and I quote here, "We will fight for the farmers, small and marginal in particular, who will be hit hard by the contentious farm bills." So the farm issue is definitely tracking more action. Remember, it's been given a nod by the President. It's becoming a law already. But the opposition, and this time the Congress party, leading the anti-farm law march, and Punjab Chief Minister stating, "We will stand for the farmers as well." And this, remember, while the Punjab Chief Minister has given this statement, the opposition, Shiromani Akali Dal, which was a long-term alliance partner of the Bharatiya Janata Party, even quit from the National Democratic Alliance after decades of being the longest time ally on the same farm bills, and with Punjab and Haryana specifically leading this march against the farm laws. Listen in to what the Captain Amrinder Singh had to say.
We are going to go to the Supreme Court. की लेके जावांगे वो तुहानू पता लग जाऊगा. But we are going to the Supreme Court. क्योंकि ये साडा agriculture is a state subject. वो साडा फैसला सी under the Act and the Constitution. Constitution ने साडे कोल दित्ती सी. और ये बगैर सानू पूछे ये करना, this is totally unconstitutional जो करना हुई है.
That is the Punjab Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh, sitting on a dharna protesting. So not letting go the Congress party, whether in Punjab, whether in Delhi, are trying to lead protest march, especially on the farm bills. It's already become a law because of the notification that has come, approved by the President, but that's not stopping the opposition this time. The question will now be, did the government at the centre underestimate the protests and the reactions to the farm bills? Remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi maintains that these are reforms. This has in fact empowered farmers, given them a position and freedom to sell their produce as they like, to who they want, at the price they want. But the opposition parties, whether it's the Trinamool Congress, whether it's the Congress party and other opposition parties, have as well come together targeting the government, saying there has to be a specific MSP as well. I want to now go across live to this location because Manjeet Sehgal is tracking all the latest. Manjeet, the Chief Minister himself of Punjab, sitting on a dharna, Congress escalating the matter. What are you picking up on the ground? Over to you.
Well, the Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh, has announced that even Rahul Gandhi can also join the protests, and the protests will be statewide. All we know is that Congress has said that all these contentious bills are against Punjab and Punjab farmers, and they can go to any length to protest against these bills. And Chief Minister categorically said that they will be fighting for the farmers, particularly the small and marginal farmers who will be hit hard by these bills. And if we talk about Shiromani Akali Dal has also planned statewide protests from October 1st onwards, besides other parties. So we are in Khatkar Kala. Khatkar Kala happens to be the ancestral village of Shahid-e-Azam Bhagat Singh, who was connected with the Inqilab, and Congress also gave their protest as the name of Inqilab and said their Inqilab will begin from this. We can see behind there are other parties like CPI who are still protesting here against these bills. The Congress leaders have left, but the parties continue to visit this place, which is very popular, and the ancestral village of Shahid-e-Azam Bhagat Singh. Pooja.
Manjeet, stay on with me because we want to now bring in the political issue, the political face-off that's on. That's Tariq Anwar and Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi of the BJP in a face-off. Listen in.
इन तमाम बिचौलियों की जागीरदारी के समर्थकों में बौखलाहट खड़ी कर दी है, और जिस तरह का किसानों के हितों को लेकर के जो बिल है, कानून है, उसको लेकर के जो कांग्रेस कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रही है, वो खुद अपने कंफ्यूजन के चक्रव्यूह में बुरी तरह फंसती जा रही है और फंस जाएगी.
ये किसान इस बिल को लेकर बहुत उनमें नाराज़गी है, बेचैनी है, परेशानी है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी ये सरकार कुछ सुनने को तैयार नहीं है. पूरे देश के अंदर एक किसान आंदोलन एक अपनी शक्ल ले रहा है.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.